like you're innocent till I took off your disguise.